Jamison Way friends, it's Christine from Card Crafters. How are you? Sadly, we still haven't been able to restart classes, but most importantly is that we're all safe and well. What I wanted to show you today is just a couple of things that we have done in the past or we could have been doing in classes. So these are just some card designs. There's a few different ones here. As you can see, they look all very different. And all of these use different techniques and teach us different things. So these is predominantly what we do at Card Crafters, but what we can do is anything to do with paper. So I was going to show you a couple of other things. So we've got these beautiful cards here, which I'll put away. We have some off the page things. So these are little boxes and projects. I'm going to lay this one on its side. So these are cute for table decorations, that kind of thing, really cool for presents. Pretty much anything with paper we can make. So there's that kind of thing. The other thing we've got is little mini albums. So this one here is full of photos, so I won't show you, but little mini albums that we can make. So these are fantastic gifts or something to keep on your shelf for yourself. The other thing we can look at is scrapbooking. So we can do single, double page layouts, anything you like with scrapbooking. So there's an example there. And the other thing we can do is frames. So these are just a couple of frames that I've made. We have done frames in the past at Card Crafters. I don't have them anymore because mostly I give these as gifts. They're a fantastic gift to give to someone. So there's just a few examples. I'll bring back the cards, but what I wanted to do was just, show you some examples. Hope that you guys are staying safe, and we're looking forward to seeing you when we can come back to classes. Thanks so much for watching.